So today I'm going to talk about the Easter Egg Shaped Sidewalk Chalk by Greenbrier International. So if you like sidewalk chalk, you will get a kick out of this because it is sidewalk chalk shaped as eggs made of chalk. So they come in this egg kind of container here like you would get at the grocery store, which I think is hilarious. And they are shaped as eggs and they are so beautiful. Like the colors, do you see that purple? It's beautiful. So this is an orange, blue, purple, green. And this is a pinkish red, I'd say more pink. And this is a yellow color. And they function as regular sidewalk chalk, but what's nice is you can use them for a lot of different things. Now, the first thing I think of when I see these is Easter. I bought them around that time. I wanted to make an Easter egg hunt for some family that was visiting, and I ended up having a really good time because a lot of the people in my family didn't want chocolate, and it was nice to have an alternative to chocolate and not that sugar rush. So hiding like chalk was really an interesting, fun idea. Also, if you want to make Easter egg baskets, these are a great addition to the basket, and they really encourage creativity, and they're fun for all ages in my opinion. I am an adult and I love them. They bring out my inner child. They're also great for a sunny day. As you can see, these are still in egg form. I haven't used these ones. I bought them about a week ago to really take advantage of the weather for the summer. And it's only been raining, so I haven't had the chance to use them yet. But I did buy these exact same ones before for Easter. And I felt like this is something I really needed to share with you guys. So what I really like is that they work really well as chalk, and I wish we could go outside and I would show you, but take my word for it, they work really well. They smell like chalk. They're not edible, even though they are eggs. It's funny because my boyfriend's favorite food is eggs. Very simple. And he really enjoyed using these as well because it was kind of an inside joke for the both of us. So I'm really excited to use them again. And the box here, it's plastic. It closes really tightly, so you can use it. It's waterproof. I would say, I mean, you can't plunge it into a swimming pool, but if you're in the rain and you happen to get water on the container, it's not going to melt them. However, these do wash away with water, so if it does rain, your designs will be like gone. And that's also a good thing for parents who don't want the sidewalk to stay super colorful and crazy and just want to hose it off. So yeah, so they are washable, which is nice, and that makes things a lot easier. Don't eat them. They are also made in China. They're not toxic. And this is just a great gift idea for kids and a great addition to an Easter basket, or if you don't want, you know, that sugar rush from all the chocolate, it's a great alternative. You know, sidewalk chalk just brings out my inner child. They last like a quite long time. I know these ones are new, but I mean, it also depends on how much you use them. They don't like rub off that easily on your hands, which is nice, so you don't get your hands all messy. And you can also use these on just a regular chalkboard. They are chalk. They altogether, it's a little heavy, so I would not travel with it, you know, but you can store it anywhere. It's not perishable, unlike regular eggs. And they really don't break easily. I have dropped one in the past and it just like stayed this way. In fact, I think it was the green. And they are easy to grip, so if you're drawing, it's like, it makes it a lot easier than chalk that like the sticks that just break. So it makes them a lot more fun and, durable. And they definitely have this solid chalk texture. They don't rub off. The eggs definitely are just a nice artistic touch to it as well, and they're quite adorable. So overall, they're pretty easy to use. They're very average. If you were to compare them to an egg, I would say they're about the same size, maybe slightly bigger. But that's them, and there you go. Thanks so much for watching.